네, 만나서 반갑습니다.
So nice to meet you all.
네, 저희 오늘은 로마서 6장입니다.
So today we're going to read in Romans chapter 6.
성경 있으시면 같이 성경을 펴고 읽어보겠습니다.
And if you have your Bibles, then please open up your Bibles and let's read together. 어디서부터 읽을까요?
4절부터 6절.
And so we're going to read from verse 4 to verse 6. And I'll start reading. Therefore, we are buried with him by baptism into death, that like as Christ was raised up from the dead by the glory of the Father, even so we also should walk in newness of life. For if we have been planted together in the likeness of his death, we shall also be in the likeness of his resurrection. Knowing this, that our old man is crucified with him, that the body of sin might be destroyed, that henceforth we should not serve sin.
저희가 교회에서 집회를 이렇게 많이 합니다.
And so inside of our church, we have many conferences.
저희 교회에서 해외로 선교사들을 많이 파송을 하는데,
And our mission normally dispatches many missionaries.
대학생들을 단기간 한 1년 정도 선교사로 파송을 많이 해요.
And we dispatch a lot of short-term missionaries to overseas, like a lot of college students.
그래서 각 나라에 가서 많은 활동들을 하고 복음을 전하는데,
And so they would go to many different countries and do many activities and preach the gospel.
이제 대부분 대학생들이 가죠.
And so normally a lot of college students go.
근데 갔다 와서 학생들이 많은 변화를 입고 돌아옵니다.
And then these students, they go and then they receive lots of change in return.
그래서 목사님이 하루는 말씀을 전하시는데,
So one day, pastor, he was preaching the gospel. He was preaching the word.
여러분들 여기 대학생들만 선교사가 아니라 우리 모두가 선교사입니다.
And he said to everyone, "Oh, everyone here, you're not just students, but you're all missionaries.
나이가 많든 나이가 적든 우리는 다 선교사입니다.
Whether you are old of age, whether you're old or young, we're all missionaries."
왜냐하면 복음을 전하는 건 우리가 하는 게 아니라 우리 안에 계신 예수님이 하는 것이기 때문이에요.
Why is that? Is because it is not that we preach the gospel, but it is Jesus Christ inside of us that preaches the gospel.
거기에 초등학생 한 명 여학생이 앉아 있었는데,
And there was a female elementary school student sitting there.
그 말씀을 똑같이 같이 들었어요.
And she listened to the same words.
뭐라고?
What?
나도 선교사라고?
I am also a missionary.
나는 나이가 이렇게 어린데
And I'm so young.
내가 어떻게 선교사야?
How could I be a missionary?
근데 목사님이 1시간 동안 계속 이야기하시기를 여러분도 다 선교사라고 이야기를 했어요.
But then what pastor was preaching for the whole hour was that you are all missionaries.
그래서 이 여학생도 생각을 했어요.
So then this female student also thought to herself,
그래, 나도 선교사야.
yes, I am also a missionary.
나는 나이가 어리지만
Even though I'm young,
성경도 모르지만
and even though I do not know the Bible very well,
나도 선교사야.
I am also a missionary.
왜냐면 예수님이 내 안에 살아 계시니까.
And that is because he is alive inside of me.
그래서 그날 책을 들고 밖으로 나갔어요.
So then on that day, she took her book and then she went outside.
전도를 하러 간 거예요.
She went to go witness.
왜냐면 나는 선교사니까.
And why? Why is that? Because I'm a missionary.
그래서 한 마켓에 들어갔는데
She went into this one market.
거기에서 나오는 사람들에게 이 책 전단지를 나눠줬어요.
And so she was giving out books to pamphlets to the people inside.
사람들이 너무 귀여워하는 거죠, 이 아이를.
And these people, they thought of her, they were like, "Oh, she's so cute."
그런데 한 아저씨가 그 책자를 봤더니 질문을 했어요.
And then one one man, he looked at the book and then he asked a question to the student.
애야, 이게 뭐니?
Oh, young student, what is this?
이번에 우리 성경 세미나가 있어요.
Oh, we have a Bible seminar.
아저씨 죄 있으면 지옥 가요.
Mister, if you have sin, then you'll go to hell.
아저씨는 죄인이에요, 의인이에요?
Mister, are you a sinner or are you righteous?
아저씨가 그렇게 이야기하는 아이를 보면서 너무 귀여운 거죠.
And so this man looking at this student, he thought that she was so cute.
아저씨는 교회를 다니지만 아직 죄인이란다.
He said that, Mister over here, I go out to church, but I still call myself a sinner.
아저씨 그럼 지옥에 가요.
Oh, Mister, then in that case, you're going to go to hell.
하나님이 죄 있으면 지옥 간다 그랬어요.
God said that if you have sinned, then you're going to go to hell.
아저씨가 이 아이를 보면서 아니 꼬마가 뭘 한다고 이렇게 얘기하나.
And then as this man was looking at this student, he was thinking, what does this student know that she's talking to me like this?
아저씨가 물어봤어요.
And so the man, he asked,
넌 누구니?
who are you?
저는 꼬마 선교사예요.
And so I am a student missionary, a child missionary.
그래서 이 아저씨가 그날 성경 세미나를 참석을 했어요.
And so on that day, this man attended the Bible seminar.
교회를 찾아와서
And he looked for the church.
이 아이를 찾았어요. 여기 꼬마 선교사 어디 있어요?
And then he was looking for this child. He said, "Where's this child missionary?"
그래서 이 학생이 그 아저씨하고 같이 말씀을 들었죠.
And so this man, he listened to the word together with this student.
전도를 하는데 나이가 많고 적은 게 무슨 상관이 있겠습니까?
So what matters about age? Why does age matter while evangelizing?
많은 사람들은 이렇게 생각을 합니다.
And many people, they think like this.
나는 성경을 몰라서 잘 안 돼.
Oh, I don't know the Bible, so I can't really do it.
나는 말을 잘 못해서 안 돼.
Oh, I can't speak very well.
이렇게 많은 생각들을 하죠.
And so many people think these thoughts.
그 대부분의 생각들은 어떤 생각이냐면 자기를 바라보고 있는 생각이에요.
And most of these thoughts, what kind of thoughts are they? They're thoughts to look at your own self.
내가 잘하냐 못하냐.
Am I doing well or not?
제가 중국에서 선교를 했는데
And so I have been a missionary in China.
중국에서는 이렇게 모임을 성경 공부를 하면 잡혀가요.
And in China, if you have these meetings, then you get caught.
거기에도 그 단기 선교사로 온 학생들이 있었는데
And there were several missionary school students, or there were several short-term missionaries that were there together with me.
고등학생들을 데리고 모임을 했어요.
And so we had this meeting together with high school students.
근데 갑자기 경찰들이 들어온 거예요.
But then all of a sudden, the police came in.
그래서 그 안에 있었던 사람들을 다 잡아갔어요.
And so they took everyone that was inside of that meeting.
이제 이 여학생이 잡혀가게 경찰서에 가게 생긴 거예요.
So now this female student is going to go to the police station.
아, 어떻게 하지?
Oh, what am I supposed to do?
근데 그 옆에 있던 중국 학생이 이 단기 선교사한테 이야기를 했어요.
But then the Chinese student said to this short-term missionary that was next to her,
너 중국말 못하니까
because you don't know any Chinese,
너 그냥 아무 말이나 해.
just say whatever.
그럼 내가 옆에서 설명을 할게.
Then I'm going to explain next to you.
이 아이는 정신병이 있어요.
I'm going to say, oh, this child, she has a mental disorder.
말도 잘 못해요.
She can't speak very well.
내가 이렇게 얘기할게.
I'll say this.
그래서 이 여학생이 이 정신병자처럼 행동을 한 거예요.
And so, this female student pretended as if she had like a mental disorder.
막 그랬어요.
She's like,
그리고 옆에 있는 학생이 설명을 해줬어요.
and then the student next to her, explained.
죄송합니다.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
내 친구가 정신병이 있어요.
Oh, my friend, she has a disorder.
갑자기 여러분들 들어오니까 놀라서 그렇다고.
And so because you guys came in all of a sudden, she just got really startled. That's why.
그래서 경찰이 그럼 그냥 가 그랬어.
And then the police just said, okay, then fine, then just go.
그래서 밖으로 나왔어요.
So then she went outside.
다행히 경찰에 안 잡혀갔는데.
And so very thankfully she wasn't caught by the police.
그때부터 마음에 두려운 마음이 생긴 거예요.
But then she started to have this really fearful heart inside of her.
아니, 나랑 똑같이 온 사람들이 아주 많은데.
There's so many people that, came together with me.
왜 나한테만 이런 일이
And
일어났을까?
why did this happen to just me?
왜 하나님은 나를 돕지
And why
않았을까?
did God not help me?
밖에 나가는 게 너무 두려운
And
거예요.
so she was so afraid to go outside.
그래서 원래 다른 도시에 있었는데
So normally she was in a different city,
제가 있던 도시로 다시 왔어요.
but then she came back to the city that I was in.
저희 집에 왔는데 밖에를 안 나가는 거예요.
And so she came to our house, but she wouldn't go outside.
밖에 나가기
You know,
무서워요.
I'm so afraid to go outside.
전 아무것도 못해요.
I can't do anything.
아니야, 할 수 있어.
No, you can.
근데 이 학생이 너무 두려워하는 거죠.
But this student, she was in so much fear.
저희가 무료로 한글반을 했는데
So then we had this free Korean class,
전단지를 만들었어요.
and we made a flyer.
그리고 이 여학생한테 줬어요.
And so we gave this we gave this flyer to the student.
바로 옆에 대학교가 있는데
And so there's a college right next to us.
거기에 가서 전단지 한 장만 주고 와라.
So just give one of those flyers and then come back.
많은 걸 할 필요 없다.
You don't have to do a lot.
그냥 딱 한 장만 주고 와라.
Just give one flyer and come back.
저희가 매일 밖으로 내보냈는데
And so we sent her out every day,
근데 전단지 한 장을 다른 사람한테 못 주는 거예요.
but she's not able to give this one flyer to another person.
난 무서워.
Oh, I'm afraid.
나는 아무것도 못해.
I cannot do anything.
그런 생각이 가득했어요.
And she was filled with just those thoughts.
그러다가 며칠을 밖에 나갔는데 자꾸 아무것도 안 하고 돌아오니까 미안하잖아요.
And so, she's going out for several days and coming back, but she's not doing anything, so she feels sorry.
그래서 그날은 그래 딱 한 장만 내가 줘야겠다 이렇게 생각을 했어요.
So then on that day, she decided she was determined to just give one flyer out.
그래서 그 전단지를 한 장 딱 줬어요.
And then she just gave out one flyer.
앞에 걸어오는 학생한테 전단지 한 장 딱 주고 집에 가야지 하고 한 장을 딱 줬는데
And then, she was determined, I'm going to give the flyer to the next student that passes by. And she gave the flyer.
그 학생이 전단지를 봤더니
And then the student looked at this flyer.
너 혹시 한국 사람이야?
And then she asked, are you perhaps Korean?
그래 맞아.
Yes, I am.
그래 너는 내 운명이야.
And then she said, oh, is that so? You are my fate.
그리고 fate이라고 해? destiny 안 하고?
Destiny?
너는 내
Destiny, fate? I guess kind of the same thing.
너는 내 운명이야 그러면서
It's like, you're my destiny.
안았어요.
You're my destiny. And then she, she hugged her.
그리고서 계속 쫓아오는 거예요.
And then she kept following her around.
얘는 누군데 날 왜 이렇게 쫓아오는 거야?
Who is this student that she keeps following me around?
그리고 우리 집까지 왔어요.
She came all the way to our house.
나는 한국 사람 너무 좋아요.
Oh, I love Korean people.
나는 한국 친구를 사귀고 싶었어요.
Oh, I really wanted a Korean friend.
그러면서 그날부터 계속 매일 우리 집에 왔어요.
So starting from that day, every day she came to our house.
그러면서 같이 이야기를 하는데
And then we would speak together.
나중에 그 학생 이야기를 듣게 됐어요.
And then later on, we were able to hear about this student's story.
그 학생은 열심히 공부를 했어요.
This student, she studied a lot.
근데 공부는 열심히 했지만 성적이 좋지 않았어요.
And even though she studied a lot, still her grades were not very good.
그래서 시험을 많이 봤는데
So she took a lot of tests,
시험을 통과한 적이 한 번도 없었어요.
but there's never been a time where she passed a test.
그래서 고등학교도 제대로 못 가고
So then she wasn't able to go into, high school.
엄마 아빠가 얘는 공부를 잘 못하는구나.
And then the mother and father, her parents started to think that, oh, this student is not good at studying.
그래서 기술이라도 배워라.
So you should at least learn some kind of technical skills.
그래서 자격증을 따라고 했는데
So they told her to get a certificate.
자격증 시험 10개를 봤는데 10개 다 떨어졌어요.
And she took 10 certificate tests and she failed all 10.
그리고 대학교 시험에 떨어졌어요.
And then she also failed the application test to go into the entry test for colleges.
그래서 시험 안 보고 돈만 내면 갈 수 있는 대학교에 부모님이 이 학생을 보내준 거예요.
And so these parents had sent this child to one of those colleges in which if you just give them money, then they'll accept you.
그래서 이 학생이 학교로 왔는데
So then the student she came to the school.
머릿속에 생각이 많은 거죠.
She has so many different thoughts.
나는 안 돼.
oh no, it doesn't work for me.
난 열심히 공부해도 안 돼.
You know, even though I study so much, I'm not good at studying.
나는 뭘 해도 안 될 거야.
You know, whatever I do, nothing works out for me.
그래서 대학교에 와서 아무것도 안 하고 있었어요.
So then she was doing nothing when she entered into college.
그렇게 첫 번째 학기가 끝나고
And then after the first quarter had ended,
방학 때 집에
and
갔는데
during the vacation, she went back home.
할 게 없잖아요.
She has nothing to do.
소파에 누워서 TV를 켰어요.
So she was laying on the sofa and she turned on the TV.
거기에 한국 드라마가 나오는 거예요.
And there was a Korean drama that had come out on the television.
잠깐만 봐야지 그랬는데
And then she said, oh, let me just watch for a little bit.
밤새도록 봤어요.
But then she spent the whole night watching the drama.
한국 드라마가 너무 재밌는 거예요.
Korean dramas are so entertaining.
그래서 완전히 한국 드라마에 빠져버렸어요.
So then she totally was immersed inside of this drama.
그래서 방학 내내 한국 드라마만 본 거예요.
And so for the whole night, all she did inside of her room was watch Korean drama.
드라마를 보면서 생각을 했어요.
And so she thought as she was watching the drama,
저걸 자막 없이 볼 수 있다면 얼마나 좋을까.
how great would it be if I could watch without subtitles?
이 여학생이 20년 처음으로 하고 싶은 일이 생겼어요.
And so this female student, there was something that she wanted to do for the first time in 20 years.
한국어를 배워야겠다.
I want to learn Korean.
어떻게 배우지?
How do I learn?
한국 친구를 사귀어야겠다.
Oh, I have to get a Korean friend.
우리 학교에 한국 사람이 있을까?
Are there Korean students in my school?
한국 친구를 사귀어야 돼.
You know, oh, I have to make a Korean friend.
그렇게 학교에 다시 왔는데
So she came back to school.
그날 앞에서 어떤 여학생이 걸어오면서 전단지를 딱 건네준 거예요.
And then as, you know, she was going to school, you know, this female student from in front of her gave her a flyer.
무료 한국어 교실.
It said free Korean classes. He's like, oh my God, what?
너 한국 사람이야?
Are you Korean?
그래.
Yes.
넌 내 운명이야.
You're my destiny.
그러면서 껴안는 거예요.
So she hugged her.
이런 상황들이 있으니까 이 여학생이 매일 우리 집에 왔어요.
And so, you know, because this situation happened, and then the students started to come to our house, you know, every single day.
I like Korean food.
You know, oh, I love Korean food.
I like kimchi.
Like kimchi.
그러면서 매일 와서 밥을 먹었어요.
So she came every day to eat food.
근데 이 여학생 이야기를 들어보니까
And then as I listened to this female student's story,
단기 선교사하고 이 여학생하고 너무 똑같은 거죠.
and it's like the short-term missionary and also this female student are so similar.
나도 실패했다 생각하고
You know, I also think that I have failed.
이 여학생도 실패했다 생각하고
And this female student also thinks that she has failed also.
왜 나만 경찰한테 잡혔을까?
So why is it just me that was caught by the police?
왜 나만 이렇게 고생할까?
Why am I the only one suffering like this?
그 여학생도 왜 나는 하는데 안 될까?
You know, why is it? And that female student was thinking, oh, why does nothing work out for me?
그렇게 나는 안 돼 이런 생각을 계속 하고 있었어요.
And so they were both thinking that, nothing works out for me.
둘이 만나서 이야기를 시작을 했는데
And so they started to have a conversation as they both met.
그래도 단기 선교사로 왔으니까
But still, because she came as a short-term missionary,
이
right?
성경을 피고 이야기 시작했어요.
She started to open up the Bible and speak.
성경에 뭐라고 하느냐?
In the Bible, what does it say?
성경은 예수 그리스도가 우리를 위해 십자가에 못 박혔다고 했다.
In the Bible, it says that Jesus Christ, he has been crucified on the cross for us.
자, 오늘 읽었던 로마서 6장은 그 이야기를 하죠.
And so Romans chapter 6 is talking about that here.
우리가 예수 그리스도와 함께 장사되었다.
That we were buried together with Jesus Christ.
자, 장사되었다는 게 뭡니까?
So what does it mean to be buried together?
죽었다.
It means that you have died.
그래서 저희 집 근처에도 여기 뭐죠?
Cemetery?
세메터리? 그 무덤 있는 데 있잖아요.
네.
공원 같은데.
네.
거기 있거든요.
And so near our house, there's a cemetery.
그래 거기 지나다니다 보면은 거기서 매일 뭐 요즘엔 없지만 그 코로나 시작하기 전에 사람들 계속 있더라고요.
And so, you know, maybe because of Corona, it's not like that right now. But before, you know, there were a lot of people always at that place.
같이 찬송을 부르고
They would sing together.
미국은 이렇게 그 시체를 거기에 갖다 놓잖아요.
And so, in America, they put the lying, the corpse, in front, right?
옷 입혀서 깨끗하게 화장해가지고.
They put on, clean clothes, and then they, how do you say? They put makeup on their face.
그래서 사람들이 와서 인사하고 같이 기도하고 그렇게 합니다.
So then people, they come and then they, greet each other, and then they, they would pray together.
죽었다는 거예요.
And so they're dead.
이제 아무것도 할 수 없다는 거죠.
So they can no longer do anything.
너의 인생은 끝이 났다.
Your life has ended.
언제?
So when?
예수 그리스도가 십자가에 못 박힐 때.
And when Jesus Christ was crucified on the cross.
그래서 로마서 6장이 이야기하기를
So what it says here in Romans chapter 6,
우리가 그의 죽으심과 합하여 세례를 받음으로 그와 함께 장사되었나니
therefore we are buried with him by baptism into death.
예수님이 죽을 때 왜 우리도 함께 죽였냐?
So why did we die together when Jesus died?
이는 아버지의 영광으로 말미암아 그리스도를 죽은 자 가운데서 살리신 것 같이 우리로 또한 새 생명 가운데서 행하게 하려 함이니라.
That like as Christ was raised up from the dead by the glory of the Father, even so we also should walk in the newness of life.
자, 새 생명 가운데서 행하게 하려고.
It says so that we can walk in newness of life.
우리를 예수님이 십자가에 못 박힐 때 우리도 함께 죽었다는 거예요.
Jesus Christ, when he was crucified on the cross, we were crucified together with him.
그래서 예수님 부활할 때
And that is why when Jesus Christ, he resurrected,
그의 5절에 그의 부활을 본받아 연합한 자가 되리라.
it says that we shall also be in the likeness of his resurrection.
우리가 예수님과 연합이 됐다는 거죠.
So we have been made one with Jesus.
우리의 모습은 없어지고
So our image has disappeared,
예수님과 같이 연합한 자가 되었다.
and we have become one person that is together with Jesus.
많은 사람들이 이렇게 생각합니다.
Many people, they think like this.
내가 얼마나 능력이 있느냐?
How much power do I have?
내가 나이가 어리냐, 나이가 많으냐?
Am I old or am I young?
내가 돈이 있냐 없냐?
Do I have a lot of money or do I not?
내가 성경을 많이 아냐 모르냐?
Do I know the Bible very well or do I not?
나라는 사람을 아주 크게 생각하죠.
They think of themselves as such great people.
근데 이 성경은 뭐라고 하냐면
But what does this Bible say?
우리라는 사람은
It says that people like us,
예수님과 함께 장사되었다는
we have
거예요.
been buried together with Jesus.
이제 너희라는 사람 아주 중요하지 않다.
So a person like you are no longer relevant.
중요한 건 뭐냐면
What is important
예수 그리스도다.
is Jesus Christ.
예수님이 어떻냐?
What is Jesus like?
예수님이 의롭냐?
Is Jesus righteous?
예수님 능력 있냐?
Does Jesus have power?
그럼 된 거예요.
If that is so, then it's over.
왜?
Why?
우리는 예수님과 연합한 자니까.
Why? Because we are one with Jesus Christ.
이 단기 선교사가 이 여학생에게 이야기를 했어요.
And so this short-term missionary told this student,
야, 우리는 죽었어.
hey you, we are dead.
우린 아무것도 아니야.
We're nothing.
중요한 건 예수 그리스도야.
But the important thing is Jesus Christ.
예수님은 어떻지?
What is Jesus like?
예수님이 실패했을까?
Did Jesus fail?
너는 이렇게 생각해.
You think like this.
나는 시험 보는 것마다 실패했어.
Oh, all the tests that I took, I failed.
나는 모든 걸 실패했어.
I failed in everything.
난 아무것도 못할 거야.
Oh, I'm not going to be able to do anything.
그래, 너는 그렇게 생각해.
Yeah, you think like this.
네가 실패했다고 해서 예수님도 실패할까?
But just because you failed, does that mean that Jesus failed?
네가 실패한 건 중요하지 않아.
You failing is not important.
하지만 예수님은 실패하지 않아.
But Jesus Christ, he does not fail.
넌 예수님과 연합했어.
You are united with Jesus Christ.
그래서 네가 너를 생각하지 말고
So don't think about yourself.
예수님을 생각해.
Think about Jesus.
이렇게 이야기를 해줬어요.
And that is what she had told her.
그러면서 자기가 보이는 거예요.
And then the student started to see herself.
나는 어떻지?
Oh, what am I like?
나는 왜 이렇게 두려워하지?
Why am I in so much fear?
왜 다른 사람이 아니라 내가 경찰한테 잡혔을까?
Why is it that it wasn't anyone else, but it was me who got caught by the police?
왜 나만 이런 일이 생길까?
Why does this only happen to me?
왜 하나님 날 돕지 않을까?
Why does God not help me?
나는 나를 생각했네.
I was thinking about my own self.
성경에 예수님 뭐라고 하셨지? 그랬지?
In the Bible, what does Jesus say?
예수님은 항상 나를 돕는다고 했지.
Jesus said that he always helps us.
설령 내가 경찰에 잡혀갔을지라도
And even though I may have been taken away by the police,
하나님은 항상 나와 함께 계시지.
Jesus, he is still together with me.
아, 나도 예수님이 아니라 나를 생각했구나.
Oh, I didn't think about Jesus, but I was thinking about myself.
그러면서 이 여학생이 또 이 단기 선교사가 너무 좋아지는 거예요.
So then this short-term missionary, she started to get so much better.
며칠 전에 연락이 왔어요.
And I recently got a call from her.
저희 보고 잘 지내냐고.
And she was asking, oh, are you doing well?
이제는 대학교를 졸업을 해가지고
And so now she is graduated from college.
아마 몇 년 있으면 결혼한다고 연락이 오겠죠.
And then, actually, if we wait a little bit more, then she's going to contact us again saying that she's going to get married.
사람이 바뀌는 건
And so for a person to change,
어떤 특별한 일이 있어야 되는 게 아니라
it's not that something special has to happen.
예수 그리스도를 믿을 때,
But when you believe in Jesus Christ,
아, 내가 예수님과 하나였구나.
oh, I was together. I was one with Jesus.
2000년 전에 예수님 십자가에 못 박히셨습니다.
2,000 years ago, Jesus Christ, he was crucified on the cross.
우리가 예수님을 알기 전에,
Before we even knew Jesus,
우리가 예수님을 믿기 전에,
before we even believed in Jesus,
우리가 예수님을 찾아가기 전에,
before we even looked for Jesus.
요한복음은 이렇게 이야기하죠.
In John, it says,
너희가 나를 찾은 것이 아니라 내가 너희를 찾았다고요.
it is not that you looked for me, but I have found you.
예수님은 우리란 사람이 어떤 사람인지 보지 않아요.
Jesus, he doesn't look at what type of people we are.
네가 얼마나 간절하게 기도했냐.
So how, sincerely did you pray?
아니면 네가 얼마나 오랫동안 하나님을 욕했느냐.
Or were you cursing God for how long?
네가 얼마나 게으르냐.
How lazy are you?
네가 성경을 보느냐 안 보느냐.
Do you read the Bible or do you not?
하나님은 우리란 사람이 어떤 사람인지 궁금해하지 않아요.
God, he is not interested in what type of people we are.
사람은 태어날 때부터 거짓되게 태어나서
And people, ever since they were born as liars.
하나님이 우리란 사람을 이미 십자가에 못 박았다는 거죠.
God, he has already crucified us together on the cross with Jesus.
그리고 예수님 다시 살아나실 때
And then when Jesus, he had resurrected,
우리도 예수님과 함께 살아나게 했다는 겁니다.
we were also resurrected together with Jesus.
난 뭐야?
Oh, what am I?
나는 태어나서 살고 있는데
I was born and I'm living now.
나는 죽은 적 없는데
And I've never died.
예, 우리의 몸이 있지만
Yes, we have our bodies.
이 성경은 그렇게 이야기하는 거예요.
But this Bible is telling us
우리가 예수님과 함께 죽었다.
that we have died together with Jesus.
그리고 다시 살아났다.
And we have been resurrected.
그래서 우리는 예수님과 연합이 되었다.
And so now we have become united with Jesus.
이제 우리가 저 사람이 어떤 사람이지?
Oh, what type of person is that person?
아, 저 사람은 내가 보니까 게으르고 저 사람은 성격도 나쁘고
What I see in that person is that person is lazy, has a really bad personality.
우리는 우리 눈에 보이는 것으로 판단하고
We judge things based off of what we see.
우리가 느끼는 대로 생각을 하죠.
And then we think just as how we feel.
그건 우리란 말입니다.
And so that is us.
하나님은 우리가 하나도 중요하지 않다는 거예요.
God says that none of that is important.
중요한 건 뭐냐?
What is important?
예수 그리스도.
It is Jesus Christ.
내 느낌이 어떻던지,
Whatever I may feel
나의 감정이 어떻던지,
and what my own emotions are,
그건 사람의 감정이지 하나님이 아니라는 거예요.
those are the emotions of human, it is not of God.
우리가 뭐가 중요하겠어요?
What is important of us?
중요한 건 예수 그리스도라는 거죠.
The important thing is Jesus Christ.
이 여학생이 예수 그리스도를 생각했어요.
So this female student, she started to think of Jesus.
아, 그래, 맞아. 예수님 나와 함께 계셔.
Oh yes, that is right. Jesus is together with me.
나는 나를 생각했는데.
Oh, I was only thinking of myself.
그래, 내가 계속 실패해도
And even though I may continue to fail,
예수님 나와 함께 계시지.
still Jesus is together with me.
이 여학생이 예수님께 눈길을 돌렸는데
And so this female student, she changed, her focus to Jesus.
그때부터 너무 행복하게
And
살아가더라고요.
now starting from that moment, she started to live such a happy life.
하나님을 믿는다는 것은
So for us to believe in God
우리의 감정이나 우리의 느낌을 믿는 것이 아닙니다.
is not to believe in our own emotions,
이 성경의 말씀을 믿는 거죠.
but it is to believe in the Word of God.
네가 죄를 많이 지었냐 안 지었냐?
Did you commit a lot of sin or not?
아니면 네가 앞으로 죄를 질 것이냐 안 질 것이냐?
Are you going to continue to commit sin or not?
전부 다 나를 이야기하는 거예요.
Everyone is saying that me. They're speaking about their own selves.
앞으로 내가 죄를 많이 짓든 안 짓든
Whether I commit a lot of sins in the future or not,
그거 중요하지 않다는 거죠.
that is not important.
중요한 건 뭐냐?
What is the important thing
예수님이 내 죄를 씻느냐 안 씻느냐?
is, does Jesus wash away my sin or not?
그게 중요한 거예요.
That is what is important.
내가 죄를 많이 짓든지
Whether I commit a lot of sin,
오늘부터 내가 죽는 날까지 계속 죄를 지어도
even though I may commit sin starting from today until the day that I die,
예수님이 우리의 모든 죄를 사했다고 한다면
if Jesus says that he has washed away all of my sin,
우린 죄가 없는 겁니다.
then we no longer have any more sin.
왜?
Why?
예수님이 그렇게 이야기하셨으니까.
It's because Jesus had said that.
사람들은 교회를 다니지만
So many people, although they go out to church,
네가 예수님처럼 돼야 해.
oh, you have to become just like Jesus.
네가 열심히 기도해야 돼.
You have to praise, diligently.
여러분, 우리는 할 수도 없는 일을 사람들에게 이야기하는 거예요.
We are telling people to do things that they are not capable of doing.
우리가 어떻게 예수님처럼 될 수 있겠습니까?
How can we become exactly like Jesus?
근데 예수님이 이야기하시는 거죠.
But then Jesus, he says
내가 너에게 일하겠다고.
that I will work in you.
내가 너를 그렇게 만들었다고.
And I have made you like that.
그래서 이 성경은 이야기하기를
And so this Bible tells us
5절에 만일 우리가 그의 죽으심을 본받아 연합한 자가 되었으면 또한 그의 부활을 본받아 연합한 자가 되리라.
For if we have been planted together in the likeness of his death, we shall be also in the likeness of his resurrection.
예수님이 죽을 때 우리도 죽고
When Jesus Christ had died, we had died together.
예수님 부활하실 때 우리도 부활했다.
And then when Jesus Christ was resurrected, we were resurrected
그래서
together.
우리가 예수님과 연합한 자가 되었다.
And so we have become one that are united with Jesus Christ.
예수님이 의롭다면
And so if Jesus is righteous,
우리도 의로운 거고
then we are also righteous.
예수님이 거룩하다면
If Jesus is holy,
우리도 거룩하다.
then we are also holy.
왜?
Why?
우린 예수님과 연합한 자니까.
It's because we have been united with Jesus.
예. 오늘은 여기까지 이야기하도록 하겠습니다.
And so today I'll speak up until here.
예, 감사합니다.
Thank you.